Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young boy named Amir. Amir was known for his perseverance and determination. Despite coming from a humble background, he dreamed of achieving great success in life. One day, Amir came across an old, tattered book in the attic of his house. The book was filled with stories of individuals who had overcome numerous challenges and achieved remarkable feats. Inspired by these stories, Amir decided to embark on his own journey of self-improvement and success. Amir understood that the road to success would not be easy. He faced countless obstacles and setbacks along the way. However, he refused to give up. Every time he encountered a hurdle, he saw it as an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. As time went by, Amir's hard work and dedication started paying off. He excelled in his studies and gained recognition for his talents. His positive attitude and relentless pursuit of his goals inspired those around him. One day, a renowned businessman visited the village, looking for talented individuals to join his company. Amir seized this opportunity and presented himself with confidence and determination. Impressed by his knowledge, passion, and unwavering spirit, the businessman offered Amir a position in her. Amir's journey did not end there. He continued to strive for excellence, never losing sight of his dreams. With each accomplishment, he set new goals and challenged himself to reach greater heights. He understood that success was not a destination, but a lifelong journey of self-improvement. Years passed, and Amir's dedication and hard work propelled him to positions of leadership and influence. He became a source of inspiration for countless individuals, sharing his story and encouraging them to pursue their dreams relentlessly. Success is not limited to those born with privilege or luck. With determination, perseverance, and a positive mindset, anyone can overcome obstacles and achieve greatness. Our circumstances do not define us. It is our actions, resilience, and unwavering belief in our path to success.